Imagine a creature so formidable. It once roamed the warm tropical and subtropical waters of our planet, the Megalodon. What does its ability to thrive in these diverse marine environments reveal about its adaptability? Fossils uncovered in distant lands like Denmark and New Zealand paint a picture of its expansive reign across ancient oceans. Now, consider the implications of Bergmann's rule, which dictates that environmental temperature influences body size. In the case of the megalodon, this principle means that cooler waters likely contributed to its colossal stature. How did the very environment shape such a legendary predator? And then there are the teeth, massive, awe-inspiring structures, with a jaw span stretching an estimated 9 by 11 feet. This formidable bite made the megalodon a predator of choice, able to target large marine mammals, including whales. But what strategies did it employ to become the apex predator of its time? Yet, the megalodon wasn't alone in the ocean's depths. With physical characteristics reminiscent of today's bull sharks, it carved its niche with size and design that ensured dominance. How did this ancient giant secure its position in an ever-competitive environment? In its quest for survival, the megalodon's nursery areas, discovered in locations such as Florida and Maryland, shed light on its reproductive habits. Among the tiny teeth found here lies a story of life and growth. What can these breeding grounds tell us about the next generation of this colossal predator? These teeth, remnants of an aggressive feeding style, frequently appear in fossil records, revealing the megalodon's life of relentless hunting and continuous tooth loss. This cycle of sustenance not only tells us about its existence, but also leaves behind clues to the immense forces that shaped its world. Now, let's shift our gaze to a vastly different landscape, the Sahara. Once a thriving region filled with water and life, it gradually transformed, significantly altering the environment over eons. What catalyzed such dramatic changes, and how did they affect the life forms that once flourished there? In Australia, studies unveil a similar narrative. A land that once thrived with lush vegetation and grand wildlife now bears the scars of desertification. As the climate shifted, ecosystems faced unprecedented vulnerability. What does this evolution tell us about resilience and adaptation in the face of environmental upheaval? Desertification represents a critical transformation where fertile landscapes succumb to the unyielding grasp of aridity. As fertile land turns to desert, the implications extend beyond mere geography, threatening food security on a global scale. What measures can humanity take against such a formidable foe? Meanwhile, the Liltok monster emerged as a daunting predator, boasting a jaw structure that allowed it to open nearly 90 degrees wide, an attribute that set it apart in its ecosystem. What strides did this ancient creature make to establish itself in a world fraught with competition? During the Triassic period, a time marked by radical environmental shifts, the Liltok monster thrived, showcasing resilience that speaks volumes about evolutionary adaptability. How did these creatures manage to flourish amidst chaos and uncertainty? But the fragility of life is an ever-present truth. The extinction of the Liltok monster and its kin during the Triassic extinction event serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance of ecosystems. How can understanding these past events equip scientists to anticipate future biodiversity challenges? Picture the megalodon once again, its appearance likened to a great sand tiger shark with a flattened snout and hues of light brown. Its fearsome teeth, sometimes exceeding 7 inches, underline its predatory prowess. How did this creature manage to maintain its fearsome reputation throughout the ages? Yet, even the titanic megalodon was not immune to fate. As climates changed and toothed whales became its chief competitors, its steady decline began. What domino effects led to the diminishing food sources necessary for its survival? Consider the sheer power of the megalodon, a predator capable of delivering an astonishing bite force of up to 40,000 pounds. Such force eclipsed that of any contemporary predator, establishing it as the ocean's true sovereign. What incredible tactics did it employ to maintain this supremacy? In its lifetime, the megalodon shed an astounding 40,000 teeth, a testament to its aggressive feeding habits. Each tooth lost contributes to the fossil records that unveil the mysteries of this ancient giant. What treasures lie hidden within those remnants? Curiously, the first discoveries of megalodon teeth sparked wild misconceptions. Some even believed they were petrified tongues of ancient creatures. This illustrates the mystique surrounding these fossils. How did perceptions of these remnants evolve as our understanding of prehistoric life deepened? For the record, megalodons existed long after the age of dinosaurs, with their oldest fossils dating back to around 23 million years ago. They were not contemporaries of the dinosaurs, as many might assume. What revelations does this timeline offer about the history of life on Earth? As the story of sharks unfolds, we find a lineage rich in survival strategies. The great white shark, for example, adapted to hunting in the open ocean, becoming a master of its domain. How has this evolution enabled sharks to persist as dominant forces in marine ecosystems for countless years? Explore the wonders of bioluminescent sharks, creatures equipped with specialized cells that emit light not just as a weapon, but also as a tool for communication and camouflage in the dark abyss. What secrets do these adaptations hold in the grand tapestry of shark diversity? Deep-sea dwellers like the Greenland shark exhibit extraordinary traits. Their slow metabolism and remarkable longevity allow them to thrive amidst the harsh, nutrient-strapped depths. Could their size hold the key to survival within these challenging environments? And then, there's the electric eel, a creature that can deliver an astonishing shock to stun both prey and formidable foes alike. What survival strategies have evolved in this fascinating species, enabling it to navigate its environment with such lethal efficiency? Famed for its prowess, the great white shark glides through the water at speeds of up to 29 miles per hour. Its fearsome reputation shapes not only the ocean's dynamics, but also our perceptions of safety within it. How does this apex predator continue to command respect and fear in equal measure? Adding intrigue, Greenland sharks have been known to live for up to 300 years, marking them as one of the oldest creatures in the ocean. This remarkable longevity raises compelling questions about their roles in the ecosystem. What secrets of survival do they whisper through the centuries? Sharks possess a uniquely designed S-shaped heart with just 2 chambers, allowing them to efficiently circulate oxygen-rich blood throughout their bodies, enhancing their sleek movement through water. How do these anatomical adaptations propel them through cooler waters so effectively? With jaws capable of exerting a force of up to 30,000 pounds, sharks emerge as voracious hunters, consuming formidable prey such as whales and fellow sharks. How critical is this jaw strength to their survival in a fiercely competitive ocean realm? Equipped with razor-sharp teeth designed to grip their prey, sharks can slice through even the toughest materials, including whale bone. What evolutionary advantages do these adaptations provide, ensuring their survival and success in the competitive ocean ecosystem? In the intricate dance of predator and prey, the Leviathan's energy-efficient swimming techniques allowed it to outlast the Megalodon, proving that endurance can tip the scales in predatory encounters. How does the ability to manage energy emerge as a critical survival strategy in the shifting tides of the ocean? As the Megalodon wore itself down, vulnerabilities surfaced, illustrating how evolution can render even the strongest creatures susceptible. How do shifts in predator dynamics expose the underlying fragility of established species against the backdrop of environmental change? The tale of extinction looms large. Both the Leviathan and Megalodon meet their fates as ecosystems falter. Environmental shifts and vanishing food sources unveil the complex interplay that can lead to the demise of even the mightiest predators. What lessons can we learn from their decline? Furthermore, sharks have developed a remarkable eye-warming system, enhancing their ability to detect movement in the water and refine their visual acuity. Why is this adaptation particularly advantageous for fast-moving species like the mako shark? Contrary to many other animals, sharks possess the unique ability to move both their upper and lower jaws, allowing them to grasp and chew their prey with remarkable efficacy. How does this anatomical feature elevate their feeding success in an ocean teeming with competition? Moreover, reproductive strategies among sharks are as fascinating as they are diverse, with species like the blue shark capable of birthing over 130 pups in a single event. What evolutionary advantages do these strategies confer in a world where survival is paramount? With its anatomy revealing unique adaptations, the Shastatosaurus sported a rib cage measuring only 6 feet wide, a curious design for such a massive predator. What feeding strategies could this slim structure suggest about its lifestyle? In striking contrast, another marine reptile, the Albertonectus, boasted an exceptionally long neck, showcasing a flexible design tailored for capturing prey while on the move. With a record-breaking 76 vertebrae, what advantages did this flexibility offer in the pursuit of survival? Meanwhile, the mighty Tyosaurus claimed its place as a dominant predator in shallow seas, equipped with a powerful body and sharp teeth capable of grasping a variety of marine life. How did this adaptability secure its role in the ancient ecosystems of the ocean? But the narrative extends beyond mere predators. The honey fungus symbolizes a different threat, feeding on tree roots and leaving irreversible damage in its wake. What echoes of its ecological impact resonate throughout its environment? Meanwhile, the Oregonian fungus reveals its own fascinating survival mechanism, being genetically identical while communicating effectively as a singular organism. How does this unique characteristic bolster its resilience in the face of challenges? In contrast, the anglerfish displays remarkable adaptations suited for deep-sea life, employing a bioluminescent lure that proves effective for capturing prey. What survival strategies do these creatures embody, drawing attention to the diversity of life hidden in the ocean's depths? Among the treasures of the ocean, one major discovery was the bounty recovered from a shipwreck by the Odyssey team, leading to the retention of 80% of the silver found. This wealth of artifacts now graces exhibitions, telling tales from the past. What other secrets lie submerged beneath the waves? As we peer beneath the surface, underwater cities like Heracleon and Lion City reveal glimpses into lost civilizations. Once bustling with life, they now rest silently beneath the water's embrace. What stories do these submerged relics whisper about human history? In a similar vein, the Cancun Underwater Museum beautifully intertwines art and ecology, featuring sculptures that not only enhance the diving experience, but also promote marine life. How does this unique blend of creation and conservation serve to foster a vibrant underwater ecosystem? Beneath the ocean surface in California flows a river, an extraordinary ecosystem filled with sunken logs and unique marine life. This phenomenon echoes similar underwater rivers found in places like the Amazon and Greenland. What marvels await discovery in these hidden realms? And then, we encounter the frilled shark, a rare deep-sea creature often associated with legends of sea serpents. With its elongated body and multitude of teeth, it captivates the imagination. What mysteries does this elusive creature carry in the depths of the ocean? In the realm of global connectivity, underwater cables serve as the lifeblood of communication, yet they face intriguing threats from inquisitive sharks. Drawn to the electromagnetic fields these cables emit, what consequences might this curiosity have on marine life? Returning to the Megalodon, its teeth are precious keys to unlocking the secrets of its vast presence in ancient oceans, found scattered across the globe. What do these remnants reveal about the life of one of history's most formidable predators? Indeed, the Megalodon reigns as an apex predator, its diet encompassing large fish and even whales, symbols of its dominance in the aquatic realm. Consuming an astonishing amount of food daily, how did this creature manage to sustain such colossal hunger? As for the theories surrounding its extinction, they are as varied as the species that roamed the seas. Climate change and cosmic events could have disrupted their food sources, leading to a gradual decline. How crucial is it to understand these theories in order to grasp the impact of environmental changes on species survival? In the shadows of nature, possums stand out, their intriguing diet consisting of snakes and ticks, capable of devouring around 5,000 ticks in a single season. What adaptations allow these creatures to thrive amidst potential threats? Remarkably, the electric eel played a critical role in the advent of the electric battery back in the 1800s, showcasing the profound influence of nature on human innovation. What parallels can we draw between natural phenomena and technological advancements? Lastly, the hippopotamus deserves attention, secreting a unique red oily substance that not only moisturizes its skin but also serves as a natural sunscreen. What adaptations allow this majestic beast to navigate the harsh conditions of its environment?